Hello and welcome to another Parts Factory installation tutorial video. Today we're going to be working on this 2.5 litre petrol Hyundai iLoad. Now specifically what we're going to be changing is the air intake pipe. Super common, these motors, it'll crack off right here, right at the throttle body itself. And obviously you can't have that as there are some intake hoses here that'll throw off your mass airflow sensor and pressure sensor. So yeah, obviously if you get a cracked hose, super easy to swap it out yourself. The job's literally going to take a couple minutes, but of course I do this video just because that's what we promise on our website. Now guys, before we continue, I'll just let you know we do have these available in Australia with free express post. I think they're about $108.30. Don't hold me to that. I'll put all the details on the bottom of the video anyway. But yeah, we're going to ship it to your door free of charge, free express in fact, so you're going to get it overnight. So yeah, if it's something that you need, don't go to Hyundai, don't pay them $500 for this piece of plastic. Come to us guys, we'll help you out every time. Alrighty, let's get into the fit. Right, there's two main steps here guys. You've got a 10mm here and here. These are just little hose clamps. We'll loosen them off, and then we're gonna take these little butterfly clips and move them down the hose. We'll just pull that hose off, pull that one off, and then we'll lift this pipe out. So I'm gonna start with the 10mm. You can just get in and loosen them off. It's 1 and 2, you can see it just flops there like that. Now obviously you got these little butterfly clips. Hopefully you can see, you just depress the butterfly clips and then you can just wiggle that hose. My motor's a bit hot, but hopefully you've let yours cool down before doing this. Put that hose down like that. You've got the same thing down here guys, little butterfly clip. Again, pops off like that. Don't get them mixed up. Now at this point, we'll start at the engine. You can just pull it up from the bottom, like so. And of course, the same thing on this side. And voila, simple as that guys. Alrighty guys, as you can see, we've just removed the genuine Hyundai part. This is the Parts Factory equivalent. I just wanted to give you guys a look before we continue. Now the major difference between this product is this is a hard plastic. It's very firm, and the thing about that is over the say like 10 years of heat cycles, eventually it will make the plastic very brittle, and that's why it cracks off at the housing. Ours is made out of a flexible polyethylene, and that's so basically over those years, even after maybe 10 years, it still won't be brittle. It'll remain that, you know, malleable plastic feel, which will obviously increase the life of your vehicle. Hey guys, just before we continue, I would love it if you could give this video a thumbs up if it's something that you're interested in. And if this type of content is something that you find valuable, perhaps today or in the future, subscribe to the channel. That way you can see all of our tutorial videos at your disposal at any time, saving you some more money. Guys, there's nothing wrong with this hose, so I'm gonna reuse it for the demonstration. Basically, bring it back in. Same procedure, but in reverse. You wanna stick it on the plastic end first. Kind of wind it in like that so that it's flush up against the airbox. Same thing here guys, you just bring it around, pulling it back a bit. That's why they have this flexible joint here, so that you can position it into place. Popping it on, making sure with your fingers that it's all the way around the throttle body. You don't want the bottom to perhaps not be flush in line with the throttle body. Bring your hose clamps to a position where you can access a bit better than perhaps even before. Set your wrench to tighten. Now this does not have to be too tight. Basically you shouldn't be able to rotate it, so just get it to the point where it can no longer be rotated by hand. Same thing over here. That one can go a little bit tighter because it's compressing down onto aluminium itself, but again, it shouldn't be able to be moved. And of course, we want our two hoses back onto the intake pipe. One, and of course the second one. Bringing the alligator clips forward, or the butterfly clips forward, placing them exactly where they once were. Same thing over here. Sometimes you can bring it a little bit forward with your fingers and then finish the job off with your pliers. Voila! Obviously double check everything's in line. The pipes, you didn't cross them over, which is quite difficult to do. But yeah, that would be job complete. Righty guys, simple as that. You can see the whole job was done in under 2 minutes, which is pretty incredible if you ask me, considering perhaps if you went to a mechanic in your local area, they might try and get you for the part, upsell you on the part, which you'll pay more than what they paid, and then they'll charge you labor, and God knows how long it's gonna take them to do it, but they can probably do it even quicker than me. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching another video from Parts Factory Australia. My name's Lucas, and I'll see you next time.